mo. Ikaw pa naman yung nasa gitna. Hi! Hindi ko makita. Start na tayo. Usok ako dito. Pausok ka dito si ate makita. Ayan. Hi! Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog! Welcome to Puso Talk! At syempre hindi kinaya ng data ko ang live, kaya naman nirecord ko na lang with my daughters. Tatago na lang natin sila sa pangalang ate at bunso. Hi naman kayo dyan!
Hi.
At so ito ate, kwentuhan lang to mga anak. You cannot see it? Hindi ko nga rin makita eh.
Me too.
Asan yung mga mata natin?
Alam na klase na.
At nandito kami sa park, so kahit malamig, is ganda kami. So, kamusta naman kayo, anak, mga anak? Kamusta yung mga puso? Ito pala ang aking panganay, syempre si ate, si Bunso naman, si Bunso at Bunso. So, kamusta naman ang mga puso natin, mga anak ko? Happy Mother's Day to me.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay naman kayo? Masaya naman kayo? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Of course. Mama's happy too because I'm Chang.
So sweet.
I know, right? And they prepared this for me for Mother's Day. Ano ba ito may umaano? O, time to write down. Oh, yan sarap. At sila lahat nakita ba yung handa natin? Parang
No.
hindi kita handa natin.
What? I can't move it.
Gusto lang sa ate. Yan.
Yan.
Minanwal.
That's what you wanted.
Wala dito. Yan.
Okay,
Yan.
do that.
Ate, dito ka.
Ate, you're not here.
Yan.
Why am I in the middle?
Yan. Oh.
Why is Ate
Saan
not
hindi
in
ka
the
kita?
frame? I don't want to be the only one.
the voice. Ay, only the voice. O talaga pinanindigan ni ate, only the voice.
Can we eat? Let's eat. Let's smoke.
Saan mo wala akong magawa? Ano yung mga itsura natin? Wala na kayo magagawa dahil si mama na ang nag-pictures, di ba?
Yeah.
Right?
Our garbage.
How are we?
You already asked that.
How are you today?
Yeah.
How am I today? I'm happy because nga I'm with you guys. And this is the only gift that I want on Mother's Day. To spend my time. To have a day to both of them. Ha? So, charot, diba? Artista eh. At syempre, nasa puso talk kayo. Kaya naman, may mga tanong si Mama.
Oh,
Actually,
no.
hindi ako nag-prepare ng questions
Oh,
for you.
thank God.
It's just an open conversation with you guys.
Ah.
It's about mother, being a mom. Siyempre ako. Ako bida, I'm the main character. Ano gusto ate?
The ice cream.
Ice tea? Wait, I'll get it.
That's it.
Diba?
They cook it there.
Ah, okay.
Question number 1.
Question number 1.
Why is it cold?
Why? Uy, may cook talaga. Mamaya na to. Ay, gusto nyo ito? Uy, may kimchi. Ay, ito. Huwag nyo lang pakita yung pinaka. Uy.
Good work.
When was the last time we had that?
Never.
Never.
We never did a three, like only. Oh my God, only us three, right? Never. Never. See, I was right.
Yeah. I think because we only have like after church, we go home, then Papa goes to work, right?
Mama is so tamad. Mama's like, I want to go sleep. So that's the end of it.
Mama's time is so limited.
Limited edition.
Yeah. And you know, the last time I went here, the Bunso is still little girl.
You just doxed my name.
I know, right? Hindi, edit ko naman yun. I know.
You want some? It's kind of good. Kind of bust.
May ibang lasa.
Wow, so
Peach?
good, right?
It has an
It's peach.
Oo, meron. I have some questions for you guys.
I thought it was about you.
Yeah, about me and you, like how how di ka. It's like what do you think of mama being a mom? Like, growing up. How's mama? Ano?
How are you? How am I supposed to know that? I'm not you.
Ano tawag doon yung ano si mama?
What is our perception of you?
Yeah. It's like how am I as a mom?
I don't know what it
It's like how am I as a mom?
No, ask the question again without saying that.
Ano ko? Damon pa mo.
I'm not hungry right now.
But it's like, it's different now, right? Naman yung takaw natin.
No, I'm so fat.
It's different now because you're grown now.
I'm not grown up. I'm still a teenager.
Yeah, it's like before you were.
Yeah.
I was strict.
Very.
So strict. I think.
Well, I don't know about me, but I still did what I wanted.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's just
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just you.
Yeah. To be honest, yeah, ate.
oh my god.
Yeah.
Actually, no. No. You were more lenient toward Ate than me.
No.
That's how I felt.
No.
Well, for Papa. Well, whatever.
No.
Papa's not part of this conversation.
No.
Yeah?
No. We're both strict to ate.
No, but you guys were more understanding.
No. No.
Ate?
No. As in, yeah. I become lenient to you than ate.
Wow.
Because I've learned a lot when ate, ano,
But
I'm gonna end that up.
so yummy. Kumain na tayo. So, strict talaga si mama.
yeah. You know, my friend. Can I say the name or no?
Wag
I'm gonna
mo
edit it
sabihin.
out.
Pwede. Para may hindi ako mahirapan edit. Sabi mo, 1, 2, 3, toot! You know?
You know, she told me, she said that you guys are more strict on me than her parents are to her. And she
I
find
can
that,
tell.
she found that more shocking.
But now,
Yeah, because I got surprised when she was allowed to go to the beach recently. I thought, ano lang sila. Like, I texted her mom and then, oh yeah, they're going home. Oh? No. You know why? Because you were too young to go to the beach on your own.
But I'm not
Because
alone.
ate went there like college days, right, ate?
Yeah, but all my
Oh,
friends
yeah.
are all seniors.
But she's like third year pa lang.
Papa said, no, Papa said, be home by 5 p.m.
5 p.m. from the beach.
Yeah.
No, I remember
This is Papa talks.
Papa to.
Papa, how did you get into our
Hashtag
conversation?
ilaglag si Papa. I remember nung maglalaro si ate sa atin sa park with your two friends. Then we told you, hanggang 1 o'clock ka lang. Tapos umuwi ka talaga, nung 1 o'clock, sila naiwan sa park, nagbabalibol. Remember?
No?
Yeah.
God.
Si ate mo mas obedient.
Malapit natin.
Ang ano siya doon, umuwi ka agad. Kay Bunso na, hindi na masyado. Si Papa na lang ang strict talaga. But ayoko lang talaga yung sobrang layo kasi syempre, we're still in high school. And syempre, hindi namin alam kung ano nangyayari. Syempre, under ka pa namin. So anything happens, whatever happens, kami ang responsible, di ba? So, Yun ang iniingatan namin. And syempre, pag nangyari. So, ate, nung graduate ka naman, ano na nangyari kay mama? Hindi ako aminado talaga ako, strict talaga ako because I got married early.
Married?
Married.
I got married.
Yeah, I got married.
You got marinated?
Married early. That's why I don't want that to happen to us. What?
Take two.
Take two. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Sushi na to. Ano? Ano? O ano?
Wala-wala.
Ano ba? Bahula-hura to mag-iina na to. Kaya yun na talaga yung naano ko. Kumbaga, I wanna make sure that ate will finish college first before. Ay,
Did you spark?
no, I burn. Bago nga siya baka labas-labas. Hindi masunurin naman si ate actually. Si Bunso, medyo may pagka-adventurous to eh. Kaya,
Because I'm never gonna be this age again with my friends again. Like you guys talk about how like, oh my god, look how pretty that is.
I know, right? Uy, maganda yan. That's a golden hour. Kumaanghang ayoko na.
Ah,
So, yun lang. Kaya nga, si ate, naging mas strict ako talaga sa kanya kasi nga. Siyempre, you know, pag first talaga na child, mas strict ang parents kesa sa second and third.
Yeah, because we're the guinea pigs.
Oo, totoo yun. Yung parang ayaw magkamali, ayaw nang magkamali, ayaw namin maulit yun. Kung may mali kami, ayaw namin maulit yun. So, ganon. Uy, bakit nag-ingay sila? Nagpupusotok tayo.
ew. Ew.
Yeah, ganon. Ganon yung ano namin. Kaya, ako talaga kasi experience ni mama, maaga nag-asawa. So, ayoko talaga maulit kay ate. Kasi si ate ang first. So, 9 years apart kayo, di ba? Pero ang thinking kasi niya, kay ate yes sa akin, no. So, ang reason naman namin, makain tayo.
Puro maririnig ko.
Ayusin mo.
I was doing that.
Kumbaga kasi, at that time, hindi ko pa naiintindihan, Bunso, yung pag-know namin sa'yo. Kasi nga, yung age na ni ate, pwede na. Kaya sa'yo, you feel like strict kami sa'yo dahil sa kay ate. Kasi nga, yung age mo, hindi pa siya pang-yes. Dun sa time na pinapayagan, yung same thing na gusto mo gawin na ginagawa ni ate, hindi pa mo pa time. That's why. Right?
No, it is.
If you will become a mom in the future, of course you will be. What is or are mama's traits that you would like to, ano tawag na? You would like to copy? Copy paste. Copy paste.
Teaching them how to bake.
Oh yeah. What?
Creativity.
Huh?
Creativity.
Oh, tama. At hindi sa kita sa camera. Yan. Ang labo ng tingin ko.
Perseverance.
Oh.
Persistence.
Persistence.
No.
Precious.
Pusitok na. Ano naman ang ayaw niyong i-copy kay mama? Biling ama.
Shutting us down.
Like? Like what? Like? Window.
Like, I don't know.
Do I still do it until now?
Like, more understanding.
Until now, I'm not understanding.
Better than before. You see my leg shaking?
Ano daw?
Shaking.
Sus ka na kami. Tama mo naman pala nag-picture ka. Dilim na. Sana maliwanag pa rin yung camera. Exposure. Ano?
Plus more.
Ano ang trait ni Mama na nakuha nyo?
Baking and cooking. Actually,
You add. Not being maternal.
oh, that's me. No, that's me.
Hindi mo daw na.
Being maternal.
My friends say I talk too much.
I know. You know what? When I was young,
They're still
I've
young.
listened to the radio.
That's gonna fall.
It's
I
gonna
know.
fall. Put it here. Oh, tatapon pa tayo sa picture natin. Hindi na yun. Yeah.
Oh my god.
When I was younger, I'm so, I was
Paranoid.
so, no. I was so quiet. I'm a silent type, just, I'm like
What?
Lida. Yeah, I'm like
That's
Lida. Where?
I'm quiet.
Where?
I'm not.
Bakit sa trabaho mo sabi hindi daw?
Because I need to be... Huwag mo na sabi.
Oo, quiet ako. As in, yung first na mga days na andun ako sa, nilipat kasi kami ni Mima, the private school, exclusive school for girls. So, yung mga classmates ko, they were like, going to me and then like, hi! And I was like this. I really don't talk. I don't talk to them. Para ako na culture
Serious.
shock. Nahiya ako. As in, nahiya ako. Kaya hindi ako. Only baking and cooking and then being talkative.
I'm very talkative. You see, when my friends come over, I just start yapping. You not hear
Yeah.
us? So loud.
And other silent, being silent. What's the trait? What is the trait that
I inherited.
Yeah.
We forget.
Oh wow.
Oo. Oo. Sabi din ng mga tita mo yan. Dahil nakakalimutan.
Yeah.
But what is the trait that you inherited and you are really proud of it? Wow, meron ba?
Loving people.
Yeah? Wow.
No, like actually.
That's the end of the book.
God.
May nanalo na. So ate, is there any?
Proud of.
Yeah. You forgot to say that you guys have like sapak attitude. Sapak. Sumpungin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Like I'm sumpungin. I'm masungit.
You're not masungit.
Ayan.
You just have a masungit face.
Yeah.
Oo.
My friends say
You know what
that
it's called?
resting bleep face.
Ha?
Resting face.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
It's called RBI.
Resting female dog face.